Where are you come from?
Papua New Guinea.
Papua New Guinea.
We
Yeah.
have lots of coffee.
Yes.
Arabica coffee.
Arabica coffee.
I have a sip, right?
Yes.
Oh, just hot. Very natural.
I can feel the real taste going down. In the highlands of my country,
Yeah.
we produce lots of coffee.
This is
Just like this.
part of paradise.
Yes.
Part of paradise.
Cendrawasih. The taste of this coffee is like aroma going down to my throat. And I can feel the essence even in my stomach.
Original.
And in my throat. It's original. It's just like the coffee in my country,
Yeah.
in the highlands of Papua New Guinea. It's the same. This is the very nice taste.
I think so.
It's called Arabica. Very nice, thank you. Let me have one more sip, please.